Hello, boys and girls. Today we will be reading Little Blue Truck's Halloween. The author of our story is Alice Shirtle and the illustrator is Jill McElmurray. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this story. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You come too. Who's that in a tutu striking a pose, up on the tiniest tips of her toes? Under the mask, who do you see? Quack, says the duck. It's me, it's me. Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Under the mask, who do you see? Bah, says the sheep. It's me, it's me. Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? Moo, says cow. It's me, it's me. What scraggly hair, what funny teeth. Who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see? Oink, oink, says the pig. It's me, it's me. There's a fancy feather on the pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see? Cluck, says hen. It's me, it's me. A dragon's hat and dragon wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see? Nay, says the horse. It's me, it's me. Croak, says Toad. There's just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before? Off comes the sheet. It's you-know-who. Little Blue Truck says, beep, beep, boo. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this reading of Little Blue Truck's Halloween. If you would like to add this book to your collection, I'll have it linked down below in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any uploads that I add. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon in a couple of days with a new read aloud. Bye-bye!